Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Well, it's time for flight number 2 with my DJI Neo, brand new, less than a couple of hours out of the box. I've got my goggles on, goggles 3, the remote controller from my Avata 2. I've done all the pairing and stuff. It was a little tricky. You have to connect up the through the DJI Fly app. I think it'll probably be easier the second time. And of course, it's very appropriate that I have my Neo sitting on top of the Avata as a launch pad. So, yeah, let's go. All right, here we go. Oh man. It's quick and responsive, I'll tell you that. Oops. It's trying to go through the legs of the tripod, not crash into it. Will it take off again? Everything seems fine. Now let's go. There we go. No fun if you're not crashing, you're not trying hard enough. Whoa, over the pond. Do I dare go through the lake, over the lake? Oh, I don't think so. But I can go through these. Yeah, why not? Full blast. Holy moly, it just flies like crazy. Just put a little calcium down on the road there. Yeah, that stops pretty quick too. Hi, thanks. Where am I? Hello. No. Okay, over the water. Ooh. I've only got a minute of flight time left. I better get back. Coming back. Oh, never mind. I have 3 minutes of flight time left. 43% battery. We're going to start up again. Never mind. How quick can I turn around that tree? Whoa! How do I always turn my body? There are boats in there. Alright. Let's not break it too hard the first time. Where's my... Good spot to land in. Twice, just like the Avata 2. Very, very similar. Beautiful. Wow. So that was a whole lot of fun. I can't wait to get this thing out more, but I'm going to have to wait for the batteries to charge up a little more before I can have some more fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. See you soon.